Unique facts about Bali starlings. Rare and beautiful, Bali starlings, the rarest birds in the world, with less than 100 individuals remaining, mesmerize with their pristine white feathers and striking blue eyes. Unique to Bali, endemic to the island of Bali, Indonesia, they symbolize biodiversity threatened by habitat loss and illegal wildlife trade. Magical mimics, known for their astonishing vocal abilities, they can mimic various sounds from their surroundings, adding to their uniqueness. Conservation efforts, breeding programs in captivity and habitat restoration are underway to save them from extinction. Hope for the future, Bali starlings serve as a symbol of hope in global conservation efforts, emphasizing the importance of protecting ecosystems and stopping illegal wildlife trade.